Hey everybody, welcome back to my kind of art. And for today's video, I actually just started a brand new sketchbook, and this one's actually thinner than what I normally work with. And I did this on purpose so I can just be practicing with ballpoint pens, different shades, maybe different colors as well. And this one, I decided to draw Boba Fett. And as you'll notice, when I'm drawing this one, I really like using ballpoint pens that are almost dried up so that I'm able to draw fairly lightly, and actually you have a lot more control using ballpoint pens with barely putting any pressure on it. And if you want to go darker, you can just use a fresh new one so you can add in a lot of the shadows and midtones. And actually for the final corrections, that you can also use a jelly roll pen that I do use towards the end. So yeah, go ahead and check it out, leave a like, and let's try and get to 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, see you later. Bye.